guys, it's Simran again. I am a 2B biology student at UW and a returning resident to Renison. I have been lucky to upgrade from a traditional double room to one of the very few single link rooms here at Renison. This is my floor Oasis. It's one of the 2 floors with link rooms, and it is on the 3rd floor of Renison, but don't worry, we do have an elevator. Here's my room. Like all other rooms, Renison room does have a whole lot of storage. They put in this huge dresser with several drawers, that night table with more drawers, the closet over here, with plenty of space that I don't really need because it's a summer term, and a shelf on top for more space if you need it. We also have a big desk here, which is big in my opinion. There's lots of space here. Shelves for books and my several decorations. Got snacks too. You can always bring your snacks. And my fridge has also returned from last time too. And of course, my bed. Sorry. It's my favorite space in all of Renison, is it's my bed. But the special thing about the link rooms is, of course, the bathroom. Link rooms have their own bathrooms, which you share with your link mates. I have a single link room bathroom, so I share it with just one person, which is my link mate on the other side of that door. The bathroom comes with everything a bathroom needs. The sink, the toilet, and the bath, which you can't really see, sorry. You do have to clean your own bathroom since there's only 2 people using it, but you're given all the supplies you need to clean the bathroom, which is great. And it doesn't take very long, it's not too big of a bathroom, even if you're meticulous with the cleaning. You can also lock doors on both sides, of course. And you can only open the door when both sides are unlocked. It's great. That is all, though. Yeah, thank you for watching.